Hi friends and all my viewers. I am Bharvi Patel from HM Patel School Dharmach. I am studying in 10th standard. I am here to talk about an organic farming, which means Sajiv Kheti. In my video, I will explain you about how it can be done, importance, benefits, limitations of organic farming. So I assume that you all have heard this word from somewhere but not understood the meaning properly. No worries, I will explain you. Let's start. What is organic farming? Organic farming is a product system which avoids or excludes the use of synthetic materials, fertilizers, and chemicals in growing crops. Organic farming is one way to provide food free of chemicals, fertilizers, artificial materials, etc. Organic farming works in harmony with nature, it never works against it. The techniques which are involved in organic farming to get a good crop are natural. They never harm the environment or the people who live and work in it. What are the materials used in organic farming? It involves the use of biological material. They avoid synthetic material to maintain ecological balance by reducing pollution and wastage. The processes which are included are crop rotation, green manure, organic waste management, biological pest control, etc. many more. Now here are the aims of organic farming. It can maintain the long-term fertility of the soil, to reduce the input cost, to utilize the natural resources effectively, to avoid all forms of pollution which are caused by nowadays agriculture techniques. It can provide a quality food stuff. Now organic food comes from organic farming. Organic farming uses both traditional and modern farming that can grow high quality crops without harming the environment. Now here are the several reasons that organic farming is good for the environment. Uses less chemicals, reduces water pollution, saves water, it can create healthier soil, combats soil erosion significantly, reduces greenhouse gases, it can promote biodiversity. Now here are the advantages of organic farming. It reduces the external cost of farming, use of resources are efficiently, source and environment are publicly good, we will get healthier food, animals will get healthier food, potential profits. Now here is one flowchart of benefits of organic farming. It is environment friendly, promotes sustainable development, it does not cause any harm to the environment as it does not use any chemical. It is inexpensive, it uses only organic export, so does not need any expensive inputs. We will get healthiest and tastiest food because it is grown organically and has more nutritional value. It has more source of employment. Organic farming has more source of employment because it has more labor intensive. It generates income. Demand for organic food is very high as it is grown naturally, generates income through exports. Now here is the impact of modern agriculture. Land exhaustion, the loss of soil fertility. More water, nitrate runoff, water polluted. More use of pesticides, weedicides, fungicides. Cruelty to animals due to overcrowding. Contaminated food. Destruction of traditional old knowledge systems and traditions. Now modern farming creates dead soil, acidic soil with few microorganisms, lacking in macro elements, trace elements, poor vitality. It is totally dependent on fertilizers. Organic farming creates living soil, full of life with microorganisms, fungi, worms and termites, very rich in macro and micro elements, trace elements and vital energy, very rich in organic matter. Now here is the present status of organic farming in world. Worldwide, 31 million hectares of land is under organic farming. It is managed by 70,000 farmers. 138 countries growing organic food. From whole world, Australia has maximum land under organic farming. Animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is the branch of science deal with its practice of breeding, farming, and care of farm animals such as cattle, dogs, sheep, horses, etc. for human advantages. Organic animal husbandry, 7.2% of the total organic product business. Argentina is the largest exporter of organic beef. Largest organic egg consumer is Israel. France and Italy export organic cheese. Now, here is one fact of organic farming. One farmer from India, Uttarakhand, 47-year-old, has succeeded in getting his name added in the Guinness Book of World Record for growing world's tallest coriander plant with a height of 7.1 feet using organic traditional Himalayan farming techniques. Now here is the flowchart of limitations of organic farming. Less output. Organic farming produces much less output than modern agricultural farming. It has higher price. Organic products generally demands higher price due to higher demand. Lack of awareness. Many of the people do not know what is organic farming, so they do not adopt organic farming. Shorter shelf life. Organic products have shorter shelf life because they do not use artificial preservatives. Thank you.